Hi, and welcome to week 2 of the One Room Challenge. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Claire O'Connell, the beating heart behind Renovation of Life over on Instagram and TikTok and here on YouTube. So I thought I would give you a bit of an update this week. I feel like we've made a lot of progress, but we haven't really made any visual progress, so we'll see how we go. But this week I thought I would give you a bit of an update on where we're at. So as you know, if you already follow us, you would know that we are designing and building the vanity for the kids' bathroom. What we've done is we've designed the vanity. It took a couple of weeks to do that, just to kind of figure out the overall feel. And then we went to Finlayson's yesterday and we chose the wood. Now, what's interesting is we've never built a vanity before. We had no idea where to start. So we looked at some different options of like repurposing some wood that you can use for VJs on the wall, but we ended up basically, and we also looked at some hardwood, but we ended up going for a pine. And we felt like the size and the finish is perfect, so I'm going to paint it anyway rather than stain it. So we felt like that was a really good option. But what I thought I would do as well is share with you some of the other finishes that we've picked out. So I picked out the tile, so let me show you. This is the tile that we've gone for the floor. We wanted it to be a really fun color for the kids, and they love blue. And then we've chosen these subway tiles, and we plan to do a herringbone pattern, the wall of the shower. And then we're going to be using BJ board for the remainder of the walls. Taps that we've chosen, so we're going for brass, we're going for blue, white and brass. Really clean, really crisp in the bathroom. We'll get some fun prints. Nice big shower head. We'll have the spouts coming out of the wall. They'll look beautiful with a mixer. And these will be for our sinks. Ourselves. Now let me take you up into the bathroom. I'll give you a quick tour of where we're at and what we're going to be doing for the next week. So here we are in the extension. So this wall is actually the original house. This is behind here is the original bathroom. There's one bathroom in the house which was right in the middle. It actually en suites off the kitchen, which is kind of fun. But this is where the doorway, well, we'll create an opening here into the extension. For now, we're just using this hidey hole at the end of the bathroom, which will be going away very soon because obviously we'll be sheeting. So let me share with you the actual bathroom floor plan. This is the corridor of the extension. We go into the kids' rooms, and then we'll have our master suite over here. Kids' bathroom, it's a great size. So what we've done with the extension is we've kept the height of the original house. You've got 3-meter ceilings. It's just over 2 meters wide. And it's about 4 meters deep. So it's a really good sized bathroom. So let's talk floor plan. So this is a very unpopular decision, but I did ask the kids and they opted not to have a bath in their bathroom. As you walk in here, we're gonna have a nice big double vanity, which we're designing, which I'll share with you a little bit. And then we'll have the toilet, and then we'll have the shower along this back wall. Now, obviously this will all be sheeted. We've ordered all of the sheeting, all the insulation is behind me, all the sheeting for the walls, the VJs, all the concrete board is all ordered and delivered tomorrow. So tomorrow there'll be a whole load of action in here as we get insulated, we get ready to go. Now any project, if you DIY, you know, any project, there's always a knock-on effect before you can get anything done. There's usually about 10 things that need to be done. So before we even start in here, this is actually like I said, the original wall. Behind this wall is the original kitchen. Now, as you can see, we have all the new plumbing, which has already been done for the new bathroom. However, here's the pipes for the original kitchen. So what we're doing right now is we're currently plumbing in a new tap on the other side of this wall so we can remove this, which will enable us to close up the wall. The other thing we had to do is remove all the sheets from the kitchen. We have original vinyl from the 30s. Thankfully, they've hidden some beautiful VJs, which are now uncovered and will be part of the new kitchen design. But we needed to do that to chase in all of the new electrical wiring, because we can't close up these walls until we have all of those back into the kitchen. So really excited to get going on this. And so we're doing some prep work today, getting ready for tomorrow. Found some really fun Art Deco mirrors for the bathroom. I'm still yet to find lights. I have something very specific in mind. And do you think I can find them? No, so we'll see how we go. I'll show you, I'm gonna keep the Art Deco mirrors a bit of a surprise until the end. And it's really a nod to the house. So this house was built in the early 1900s. It's a Queenslander, which is a really common style here in Queensland. And it's a timber frame house. We've raised it, we've extended to the side, which is where we're putting the bathroom in for the kids' rooms. And we've also built in underneath, which you can sort of see behind me here. We've framed all in. My husband and I have done most of the work ourselves, although we did get some builders in to help us with the roof and those sorts of things. But we are planning to do most of the work, if not all of the work that we can, Bye for now. I have to get back to work. Make sure you hit subscribe and check out how we go with this bathroom. We have 8 weeks to finish it. And then we've got the rest of the house to do. So if you love everything DIY, we would love you to follow us on our journey.